I'm going to teach you how to manage issues in Linear using the desktop and web app. We'll start in the Linear desktop app and walk through the exact flow you'll use every day to keep your work organized. Then I'll show you the same process in the web app, and we'll wrap up with the key difference between the two so you can pick the best option for your workflow. With the desktop app open, look over to the left sidebar. This is your navigation hub. You'll see sections like Inbox, My Issues, Projects, Views, and, most importantly for today, Issues. Go ahead and click Issues. By default, you'll be in the Active tab, which shows work that's currently moving forward. Staying in Active helps you focus on what's relevant right now without getting distracted by completed or archived tasks. Now click into any task to open its details. For example, you might choose something like Get Familiar with Linear. Inside the task, you can update 3 key fields that keep your team aligned: Status, Assignee, and Priority. Set the status to reflect where the work stands, whether it's just created, in progress, or ready for review. Update the assignee to make ownership crystal clear, either to yourself or to the right teammate, and adjust the priority so everyone understands urgency at a glance. These small updates make a big difference in visibility and momentum. When you're ready to add new work, press the C key to create a new issue. This opens a clean composer where you can give the issue a clear title and a brief description of what needs to be done. Keep it concise but specific so it's actionable for whoever picks it up next. Now let's switch to the web app. Open your browser, go to linear.app, and log into your account. You'll land on the same familiar interface with the same sidebar and the same options. Click Issues, just like we did in the desktop app, and manage your tasks the same way. Open a task, update status, assignee, and priority, and press C to create a new issue when something new comes up. There's nothing new to learn here. The experience is intentionally consistent. So what's the difference? The interface is the same, and the steps are the same. The only real distinction is focus and accessibility. The desktop app keeps you in a dedicated workspace with no browser tabs pulling your attention away. The web app, on the other hand, is accessible from anywhere with a browser, which is great when you're on the go or using a shared machine. And that's it. You're ready to manage issues confidently in Linear, on desktop, or the web.